When I had the first good streak of sales in my life, I spoke with my manager and she told me, wow, this is very cool, Nikolai. This is very cool that you have closed 3 deals last week. Now we need to close 3 deals this week. And that was the moment when she explained me the whole concept that I'm going to also show to you, that consistency is the silent king in sales. It's not about the amount of deals you close. It's not about size of the deals that you close, the speed of the sales cycle that you do. It's all about, can you do this consistently? Because if you have one dream month a year, for example, let's say July, but then before that it was like a dreadful time and you almost barely close anything, there is a very high chance that you're going to be fired from the company in that moment, in that period of time, until you get to your like star month. That's why the best salespeople that I have seen, they are doing a lot of business consistently, and in their pipeline they have a lot of deals on different stages at the same time. So they're going to have a lot of deals on the legal negotiation stages, they're going to have a lot of deals on the discovery stages, on the call booking stage, on the value selling stage. Like all those different things are happening simultaneously. And the not so good salespeople, they like tend to focus only on one segment. For example, they focus on generating leads, and then once they generate a good amount of leads, they go to qualifying those leads, and after they qualify, they go to selling and negotiating with those leads, which is not bad because you will close some deals as the result of this. But the best salespeople are able to do this process and then all other processes simultaneously. So while they're negotiating, they're also having deals where just like they're having the first call. This creates the consistency loop, and this is what makes you the king in sales, because that's also the way how you can make the most amount of money. Because your commission, like if you only get commission once a year, well, it's up to you, man. If you want to do that, do that. I'm not that kind of guy. I like commission every month, and in order to get commission every month, you need to get sales, and in order to get sales every month, you need to have process. And I prefer a person that has the system, that brings in deals consistently, over a person that has a great ability to wing it and like bring big deals. Because the first one is the process-oriented business player, and the second one is a gambler, asset/passive, that can either make it or break it. And if you prefer to do business in a way that is uncertain, or in a way that is a gamble, you can have a great month or you can have the worst month in your career. It's okay, it's your choice. If you want to consistently make money for the company and for yourself, for the family, there is no way for you rather than mastering consistency. And consistency means doing every step of the pipeline at the same time, at the same level of high quality. That's it. See you guys. All the videos, all the links, all the things are in the description. Web3 Sales Gym, share it with friends. We want to hit 1,000 subscribers. See you.